Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Shopify store. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click login right here. Enter in your email in this field, but you can also log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will redirect you to your Shopify dashboard. In here, click on Settings down here. Then click on the search bar up here and type in language. And click the languages option right here. You will be redirected to your page, so click on Add a Language right here and this pop-up will open. Click on Select, then choose from these options your preferred language. So for example, I'm going to pick Spanish. Then click Next right here. Then enable this toggle. Then click Done. After that, you will see that the Spanish language was added successfully. So click on Translate under this Unpublished Languages section. Then click Translate and Adapt. In here, click on Auto Translate. Then click Translate in this pop-up. After that, click on Manage right here. Then click on this three-dot icon next to the Translate under Unpublished Languages section. Then click Publish. Lastly, let's go to our Shopify store, and as you can see, we now have an option here to change the store's language to Spanish or Espanol. And as you can see, the language change has been applied. And that is how you can change the language of your Shopify store. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.